Greetings. Dear viewers, today I want to talk to you about the exciting world of investing and introduce you to the top 3 most successful investors in history. These people have not only been able to achieve incredible financial success, but also left their mark on the global economy. Their stories are inspiring and show that courage, risk-taking and an analytical mind can lead to incredible results. Let's find out together who these people are and how they managed to become legends of the investment world. Fasten your seatbelts. An exciting journey into the world of financial success awaits you. Third place goes to George Soros. This name has become synonymous with financial genius. He was born in Hungary but started his investor career in the USA. Soros became known for his successful speculation in the foreign exchange markets, especially in 1992, when he made billions of dollars speculating against the British pound. This event was called Black Wednesday and earned him the status of a legend. Soros has a unique analytical mind and the ability to predict changes in the financial markets. He was always willing to take risks and use his knowledge and intuition to make sound investment decisions. His investment philosophy is based on reflection theory. She argues that markets do not always reflect the true value of assets, and this creates opportunities for profit. However, in addition to his financial successes, Soros is also known for his philanthropic work. He created the Open Society Foundation, which supports democratic initiatives, the protection of human rights and social development. Soros has always sought to use his wealth and influence to create positive change in the world. Thus, George Soros is not only a successful investor, but also a philanthropist. His ability to predict changes in the financial markets makes him a true legend in the investment world. The second place is occupied by the well-known Warren Buffett. Born in 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska, he began his investment career at a young age. Today he is one of the richest people in the world and the head of Berkshire Hathaway, one of the largest investment companies in the world. Buffett is known for his long-term investment approach. He does not seek to make a quick profit, but chooses stocks of companies that have high growth potential for a long time. He is looking for companies with strong fundamentals, stable earnings and a competitive edge. Buffett is also known for his invest in what you know philosophy. He prefers to invest in industries and companies that he understands well and sees potential for growth. He is not afraid to take risks, but always bases his decisions on fundamental analysis in the long term. Buffett is also known for his philosophical principles, which he calls the wisdom of Omaha. He urges investors to be patient, not get emotional, and trust their own analytical skills. Thus, Warren Buffett is not only one of the richest people in the world, but also a symbol of successful investing. His long-term approach and ability to select companies with high growth potential make him a true legend in the world of finance. First place goes to John Bogle. He was born in 1929 and founded the Vanguard Group, one of the largest investment companies in the world. Bogle is known for his revolutionary approach to investment and the principle of minimal commissions. Bogle's basic principle is to invest in index funds. Instead of trying to predict future market movements, he suggests that investors simply follow an index such as the S&P 500. This allows you to diversify your portfolio and minimize risks, as well as reduce the fees that are usually charged for active management. Bogle is also known for his principle of minimum fees. Through his approach, Bogle has become one of the most successful and influential investors in history. He was able to change the investment paradigm by making it available to the general public. His investment philosophy and principles of minimum fees continue to influence the investment community and inspire a new generation of investors. Thus, John Bogle is not only the founder of the Vanguard Group, but also a symbol of investment for the masses. His approach to investing in index funds has made him one of the most successful and influential investors in history. Summarizing, investing is one of the most effective ways to increase capital, and history knows many successful investors who have achieved incredible results. First on our list is George Soros, who has become a legend in the world of financial markets. He is known for his successful speculation in the foreign exchange markets and his ability to predict changes in the economy. Second in our top 3 most successful investors in history is Warren Buffett. His ability to choose the right stocks and shares of companies brought him a huge fortune and the status of one of the richest people in the world. 4. Finally, the third most successful investor in history is George Soros. He achieved great success while working as a fund manager, which became one of the most successful investment funds in history. All of these investors share common traits of success, such as deep understanding of the market, the ability to take risks and make the right decisions in difficult situations. Their success stories can serve as inspiration for anyone who wants to achieve financial independence and successfully invest their funds. It is important to remember that investing is a long-term process that requires patience, knowledge, and constant learning. But with the right approach and strategy, anyone can be successful in the financial markets.